In this video, let me show you the way that you can open a Maybank2u account online. Now this process needs to be done entirely through the application. So make sure you first of all download the application onto your device, and once the application has been downloaded, simply head over to accounts. And if you already have an existing account, you need to just tap on the first option, but if you don't yet, you can tap on the second option. Now you need to select a account type. Basically you have two accounts, the iSave account or the EasyFlex account. So depending upon what you need, select one of these options. And depending upon which account you select, your registration process might differ slightly, but all in all, you need to provide your ID documents, and you need to take a video verification selfie, and then lastly create your credentials. So simply tap on apply now, and as I said, you'll need one valid Philippines government ID, which could be any of these, and make sure that you have entered all of the details correctly as well. So first of all, select a ID that you're trying to take a picture of, and you just need to follow the on-screen prompts and provide the information that is needed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.